Now, you guys have probably noticed that coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, even Solana have their own ETFs. But did you wonder, well, why isn't there one on Algorand? Have no fear, because now there is an Algorand ETP. Now, this news comes right from Valor. Valor launches 8 new ETPs on Spotlight Stock Market, including Bitcoin Cash, Unised Leo, OKB, Polygon, Algorand, Filecoin, Arbitrum, and Stacks. That's right, Algorand included in this ETP offering. Valor has introduced SEK-dominated ETPs for all those coins, including Algorand, expanding its Nordic product suite. Now we can look here and see more details on the actual Valor Algorand SEK. The current value is 27 SEK. In case you're wondering, that is in Swedish krones. Valor Algorand is an exchange-traded product that tracks the price of Algo, the native token of the Algorand blockchain. Algorand is built for fast, secure, energy-efficient transactions using a pure proof-of-stake system. Algo is used to pay fees, secure the network, and take part in governance. The network supports applications in areas like DeFi, digital identity, tokenized assets, with a focus on low costs and quick finality. How low? Well, we know those costs are less than a fraction of the penny. And when they say quick, we actually mean instant finality, which is a wonderful feature of Algorand. And in fact, you can find it on these brokerage listings, Avanza and Nordnet. Valor is actually based in Zug, Switzerland, but most of its stock markets, including its EPA listings, are in exchanges on like the Spotlight stock market in Sweden. In case you're wondering, Valor is a subsidiary of DeFi Technologies, which kind of makes sense when you think about Algorand's main purpose. Now, what did the head of Nordics at Valor, Johanna Bellitz, have to say? He said the Nordic markets continue to demonstrate the strong demand for easy transparency, regulated exposure to both established and emerging digital assets. The latest listings provide investors with new ways to diversify their portfolios across blockchains, infrastructure tokens, and exchange tokens. This exchange, we're not only broadening access to leading layer 1s, layer 2s, and exchange tokens, but we're also strategically curating a product mix that reflects the evolving architecture of Web3, said Elaine Bueller, head of product at Valor. From the foundation infrastructure like Filecoin and Algorand to high utility tokens such as OKB and Leo, these ETPs were designed to give investors simple, compliant exposure to the building blocks of the next generation internet. We're excited to keep innovating toward our goal of 100 listed products by the end of the year. That's a lot. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know that I'm a big fan of Algorand and I do a lot of content on it. So it's no surprise to me that it's one of the first of this 100 that they're hoping to aim for by the end of the year. Algorand absolutely should be included on these, and so I'm happy to see it. When will we get these stateside? Well, that's the next question, but we're going to be looking forward to it. So expect Algorand to be doing great things in the future in terms of ETPs.